The state Supreme Court justices say gas stations could be held liable for selling gas to drunk drivers if they hurt someone. Their opinion is based on the case of Gallup deacon Marcelino Morris Jr., killed by a drunk driver in December 2011. Morris was killed while driving on a highway on the Navajo Nation. Andy Denny had just gotten gas at the Tehachapi Giant and drove the wrong way on the highway. According to the lawsuit, he tested more than twice the legal limit 3 hours after the crash. And when he walked into the Giant to get gas, he was initially refused because the clerk believed him to be drunk. But that clerk eventually sold him gas, and he later killed Deacon Morris. Now, the justices ruled gas stations do have a legal obligation under a law overseeing potentially dangerous goods. The doctrine says that a gas station has, quote, a duty not to sell gasoline to an intoxicated person, and it's consistent with the liability for providing an intoxicated person with alcohol or a vehicle. They also say providing gas to an intoxicated driver is like providing car keys to a drunk driver. One Justice, Barbara Vigil, did have a dissenting opinion saying this could have far-reaching consequences for businesses, and no New Mexico law specifically requires non-alcoholic vendors to prevent DWI. Still, the attorneys for the deacon's family say they are thankful for the opinion.
I think it's a good day for New Mexico, and I think it's a common sense approach to the law. And I think that it'll help both keep people safe in a way that doesn't unduly burden commerce.
Now, this case does still have to be heard in district court by a judge or jury to decide if, in this case, the gas station is liable. Morris's family is seeking damages. They say Morris spent his last days working to translate the Bible into the Navajo language.